What's good, what's good, what's good, bitches? Y'all know what time it is. Guess what? These are 700 feet per minute for 7 floors. It's ballistic. Beautiful old Otis. That's where the indicator used to be. Interesting buttons. I think they're GAL. Watch how fast this is. For just 7 floors. This is geared traction. For 7 fucking floors. It's ballistic. And can we please... Oh my god, I could be the security guard. Let's do that. Security guard roleplay. OMG. Excuse me, sir. Can I help you? Yeah, get the fuck out of here. You don't belong. Hey, no photography. I'm gonna detain you. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, look, it parks on one. Peek up. Beautiful old indicators, too. You know what? Yeah, that was fun. Security guard roleplay. So much fun. Look at these doors. Oh, yes. Beautiful. Upperoo. Oh, this thing is so unnecessarily fast for 7 floors. I love it, I love it, I love it. I fucking love it. Oh yeah, bitch! Very beautiful indeed. Alright, that's